Hey, so for this problem, we're given f of t is equal to 2t squared, g of t is equal to t, and h of t is just 0.12. And we're asked to solve this expression and round to 4 decimal places. All right, so I'm going to plug in what I'm given into this expression that they gave me. My f of t is 2t squared. G minus h of t means g of t minus h of t. All right. And I know my g of t and my h of t. My g of t is t, and my h of t is a constant. It's just 0.12. All right. I'm going to subtract this t and add this 0.12 to both sides. So I'm going to subtract t and add 0.12 to this side, and I'm going to get 2t squared minus t plus 0.12 equals 0. All right. Now here, this means I'm going to have to use the quadratic formula because I have the t squared and we're set it equal to 0. I'm going to recall the quadratic formula. I'm going to use this one. All right. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. This is the quadratic formula. I put it all glittery because it is really, really important and it comes up all the time. So now I'm going to use this in the quadratic formula to get my t's. So I have t is equal to, this is my b, -1 is my b, 2 is my a, and 0.12 is my c. So I get t is equal to -1 plus or minus the square root, -1 squared minus 4 times a is 2 and c is 0.12 over 2 times a, which is 4. All right, simplifying this down just a smidgen, I'm going to get 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus 8 times 0.12 is 0.96 over 4. Alrighty. 1 plus or minus the square root. 1 minus 0.96 is 0.04 over 4. The square root of 0.04 is 0.2. So that's 1 plus or minus is 0.2 over 4, which gives me two answers. I'm going to get 1.02 over 4 and 0.98 over 4. Those would be my two answers. And then as far as rounding them to 4 decimal places, you would just do 1.02 divided by 4 in your calculator, and you get, this is 0.2550, and this is 0.98 divided by 4, which is 0.2450. And these would be my answers.